Hello ladies and gentlemen, Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist. So this is towards the end. That over there is the 1926 Seaboard train station you guys saw the video on. And then this is I'm a few hundred feet further south of it. So this was one of the last customers on the line over here. It's a ABC supply company, so you guys can see. Okay, then you have this crossing. This is Safe Trans Signal Base, emergency contact info, Safe Trans signals folded upward, and here you have Maori Drive. So this is a pretty interesting location. There's a lot of stuff going on over here. This over here is a team track. I'll show you right now. So this spur here went, so that's the main right there. This spur went into some construction materials company. And then that spur over there is, as I told you, ABC supply company. And then you have to stop this mountain sign, which lets the conductors know to get down from the locomotive or whatever car, because if they stay on, they're gonna get smashed between the deck and the spur. So Maori Drive. And at some point, there used to be a spur here which backed on up to this team track. They would put the box car or whatever it was here to be unloaded, and all the surrounding businesses would come with their forklifts and whatnot and take down their respective merchandise. Here is the switch. Was set to go straight. You can see by the target there, it was red. The red would have been vertical had it been lined up for the spur. The signals folded upward. It's a nice little foundation they made for it. And then I was going to cross the road, but there's a few cars coming. Okay, so now I cross the road, and then here you have the spur that went into ABC supply company, and the switch where it got lined up, and the relay case for this crossing. So yeah, as I said, there's a lot going on here. Give you another look at that stop dismount sign. This is, by the way, this is something you don't see a lot. I'm guessing this is from the Seaboard days, this nice little foundation or barrier that they made for the crossing. People here don't use turn signals, by the way. So yeah, let me break it down for you guys. This is very important if you guys ever get a railroad job. So yeah, you gotta dismount, because let's say the box car or whatever car you're riding on sticks out about yay much. You're playing a dangerous game here, because you're gonna get caught up between the box car and this, and you're likely to get smashed or injured or whatever else. So that's why that sign is there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let me know if you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up if you did. I upload videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. Take care. Bye-bye.